As we begin our week-long endeavor of Keystone testing, I've been reflecting on the different ways that I could have better prepared my students for the test. As each year comes and goes, I learn things that could have helped me throughout this year. From this class, one thing comes to mind as we complete this assignment is using multimedia to help create a portfolio of each topic we have learned throughout the year. Thinking ahead for next year, after we finish a unit, we can include a recording day to our review of the topics. I could add this in as the same day as we do our review day. This could be an added portion to that day. Students can select a particular problem from a list that I generate, and with the help of a partner, record themselves solving that problem and explaining each step as they go. After recording, students can upload the videos to YouTube or Vimeo or any other source, and we can create a portfolio for the links for each topic. This would be a great way for students to review many topics at the end of the year or at the end of like a marking period. I also think it would be more meaningful for the students to see and hear themselves reviewing problems. This would be beneficial for public speaking and presenting skills rather than exclusively seeing me review problems again. The students can put their own spin on the videos while also making their information have a purpose. Thanks.